I've been doing my podcast rounds and my fish rounds, and one of the most frequently asked questions I get during an interview is, what are the biggest website mistakes to avoid? First, obviously, is not investing in SEO before a new website project. It will have data-driven strategy behind it if you invest in SEO. And again, would you build a house and then hire your civil engineer when it's already built out? I hope not. Second, not investing in a professional copywriter and content strategist. Your website should clearly state your unique value proposition, contain an enticing brand voice, and clear call to actions. This is not just to appease Google. This is best practice for user experience, for sales, for conversion strategy, customer education. Users really need to know within a couple of seconds of landing on your site who you are, how you can help them, and what you do or sell that is better than anybody else. The third is not having a call to action strategy. And when I say this, I mean you are not creating a strategy on how you want your users to move through your site and take action. If a user is reading a specific section on your homepage, where should they go next to learn more and grow their interest and trust in your brand? If somebody is reading a blog, what should they do when they are done? Where should they go next? What is the single most important thing for a user to do that impacts your bottom line the most, and where should you place that call to action? Is that clearly differentiated in design and copy from all the others, or is it blended in with everything else? Your CTA strategy should not only include user journey and experience, it also includes that strategic decision process and copywriting skills. My final one for today is not having your Google Analytics set up to track your data correctly. This is on your agency and marketing partners too. You cannot just add GA4 to your site and call it a day. Conversions need to be set up, otherwise you can't see what marketing channels are impacting your bottom line, therefore not able to make data-driven decisions that actually move the needle.